Hello everyone, my name is Vaidas, aka Rough Virus. In this video I will show you how to install paint protection film on the mirror. So all what we need, piece of PPF. It shouldn't be too big or too small, we need just enough. We need slip and tack solution. Our tack solution is just distilled water. So of course before installation I clean it, clay bar it, but about cleaning and everything else we're gonna talk in other video. So let's spray our slip solution on the mirror. So let's remove backing paper. Then I'm gonna use my tack solution, distilled water, on the corners. They're gonna be my tack points. So let's hold PPF just like that. GSWF Paint Protection Film is flexible enough. We don't need to use any heat source to stretch around the mirror. So we stretch from corner to corner, just like that. We can hold a bit. It sticks. That's it. As I said, this is our tack points. Corners are done. But this part is still not finished. So let's use our tack solution right there in this corner. Then we wanna stretch the mirror this direction. Then let's start our application process with a squeegee. All what we need to do, just push water out. To tack the film, we use our tack solution, distilled water. We don't use any alcohol in our tack solution. So let's double check if we haven't left any water behind. So our application is finished now. All what we need to do, just trim excess film and finish the mirror. But before I will clean and spray my tack solution all around the edges, I just want to remove all slip solution from under the film. As well, when installing PPF on mirror like this, we do not do them in one piece. It can be done in one piece, but we will overstretch film and it will not be as durable as it will be if with less tension. So when we cut the PPF, we do not cut through the PPF, we just scratch the top coat. When I can, I wrap around this tiny edge, because for me it's cleaner finish. Because GSWF is flexible enough to wrap around edges like that. Now we cannot see any edge of the PPF. It looks very clean. On the bottom we're gonna cut just next to the edge. You always can leave this mirror to dry and work on the other side, and then you can come back and finish. It will be easier, because then it's going to be dry and it will be way faster and easier. Our mirror is finished and I would like to repeat our steps. It is very important to have a right slip and tack solution. Tack solution is super simple, it's distilled water. Slip solution, it is soap with water. When you have too much soap, it's going to be too slippery and it's not going to stick straight away. In other video, you're going to see our slip solution mixtures for the mirror. As well, it's very important to stretch it from left to right direction, and you need to stretch enough. And we have two tack points, right and left. Then when we stretch enough here, then our third tack point is at this corner. We spray our tack solution, we stretch towards this corner, tack it, apply it, cut excess film, and mirror is finished. Easy as that. Thank you for watching. With you was me, Rough Virus, and I will see you in next video. Bye.